Hey beauties, it's your girl Claire Moy and welcome to my channel. So today I am back with another headband wig from Divawigs. And Divawigs sends a lot of goodies. I was like, okay. Super cute headbands, and I love getting headbands, guys, because I could rock them so many different ways. But this is the headband wig I'll be rocking today because it matches my shirt and I didn't even know. So it worked out. They also provide you with a wig cap, and then they also provided this brush. I'm not a fan of the brush, but hey, you could use it, right? Okay, now, oh yeah, they also gave these extra clips that will make your wig tighter. So they provided these extra like small little headbands that you can attach to the wig, and it'll make your wig tighter if your wig is too small. So the wig came with 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and then 1 in the kind of like in the center. And here is where you would attach those 2 clips if you needed to make your wig tighter. Now let's put this bad boy on, okay? Now, as you have seen from plenty of other headband wigs, it is really easy to apply your wig, right? You don't have to worry about no edges, lace edges. You ain't got to worry about no closure, no frontal, no lace, none of that, right? And it's a very convenient way to wear a wig. It's a very easy way to wear a wig. Of course, I would advise you to wash your hair when you receive your wig. When you receive your wig, don't just slap it on like I do. Don't just slap it on like I do. Wash your wig before you put it on. Just like you would wash new clothes before putting it on. Just like you would wash new underwear before putting it on. So now I'm just sleeking down my edges when I actually should be leaving my edges alone because, I'm on a whole new journey when it comes to growing these edges, cause baby, them locks did a number on me, okay? But I'm still happy with the little bit I got because I could still fleek it and make it look like it's something. So that's what I'm doing here, y'all. And I'm also using a different edge control gel than I was using it before, because the other one had some stuff in it that I heard makes your edges fall out as well. Anyways, this is the hair brushed out in its natural texture, and a normal person would have been like, oh, what the hell is this? But me, I'm like, oh yeah, baby, I love this type of body. I'm excited because I know when I curl it, it's gonna give me so much body. Anyways, it also reminded me of a vintage look, so I'm gonna call this hairstyle a vintage hairstyle. It's just fly. I felt super cute and I felt super natural. But I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Oh, wait a minute, I didn't even tell you about this hair. This hair is 16 inches and the hair density, as you can tell, is 150. Baby, this thing is thick. I didn't even cut the wig or anything, y'all. Anyways, so that's it. Make sure you check out the description box. Leave me some comments. Thank you, Divawigs, for sponsoring this video. You kept the light bill on. And I will see you all in my next video. Enjoy!